Hey guys, Lavinia here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this lovely look right here, as you can see. So if you want to, well, see how it's done, just keep on watching. Okay, to start with, we're going to use this black box, which I know it says the name, but I can't see it currently. Oh, hey, I got this for her. Stuff's expensive, man. Yeah, we're going to apply that around the facial area, and then we're gonna take this clear stuff and just dab it on there, and well, or just add in layers of clear stuff. This is foundation. I know this stuff, so we're gonna apply a little bit of foundation and a little bit of more foundation, because honestly she's got the wrong color of white. We need much whiter white. She's about as pale as can be, in all honesty. Just gonna slowly rub it in until it's all one color. Look at that, magical. Then concealer, I can kind of read it. And we're gonna conceal just around the eyes, make sure the blend is all good. Take this big brush and just dab it around a little. That looks seriously irritating on the eyes. Extremely irritating on the eyes. She tried doing my makeup once, and around the eyes was absolutely brutal. I was crying the whole time. Sponge. We're gonna sponge it all on now, I guess. Then we're gonna take a black not a black Sharpie. I could not tell you. Is this to cover uneven spots or something? Aspen? Airspun. Airpun? I couldn't read that fast enough. We're going to take a sponge and dab that under the eyes. Okay, adding more stuff to the eyes. And around the chin and lips area, I guess. What? See, this is what I don't get. It's all the same stuff. You're just adding the same color. Is this bronzer? It's gotta be bronzer, right? It's all the same colors to me. You're putting it around. That's to make your nose look thinner, right? I'm pretty sure that's what the use of this, if I remember right. That's got to be bronzer. No, that's a bronzer. Okay, this is the bronzer. We're gonna apply that to the whole cheek area. Ooh, look at that cheekbone. God damn. Okay, adding bronzer everywhere. At some point, I think we gotta add blush, right? I don't know what that is. What? That's blush, right? That's gotta be blush. If you're adding pink to the cheeks, it's gotta be blush. So we're gonna add some blush. Probably some on the tip of the nose, might get. Nope, no, definitely not. Terrible idea. Unless we're adding tip of the nose. No, we're just gonna blend that on the cheeks as well. Oh yes! Woohoo! So we're going to add some blush to the tip of the nose and all around the cheeks there. Then we're going to add some more powdery stuff right around. That's highlighter. That's got to be highlighter. It's so shiny. I saw Nick in the background there. That was pretty cool. Yeah, that's got to be highlighter. Getting all shiny. Is she going to make the wings? No, we're going to fill in our eyebrows. Just a little bit. Just darken them up a tad bit. Just detailing purposes here. Just adding a little. I don't know where we're going now. What is this? Ooh. She floofed them up and then outlined them. Is this an eyebrow liner? Is there such a thing? Eyebrow liner. Now we're getting into the colors. So we're going with a bit of light pink just under the eyebrow there to the top. And then we're going to go with a hot pink. And we're going to put that right on the eyelid, or just on the right side of the eyelid. Get a nice blend of light pinks here going. I prefer blue, but she went with pink today. Can't go with blue every day. Then blue would get boring. So Got a bit of pink going here, really darkening it up. This looks like shiny sparkles. It is shiny sparkles. Very shiny silver sparkles. Really get a glossy in there. Make sure you can be seen from outer space. Then... oh, we're gonna go under. That looks so irritating for the eye, man. Ah. Like, I'm crying watching this thing. Oh, she's gonna copy it to the other side, and she'll be back in a second. There we go, all matchy-matchy. Now we're gonna add wings. This has gotta be wings, right? Ooh, look at those wings. Just gonna fly away. Excellent, excellent job with the wings. Not that I know anything about making wings. What is this? Oh, damn! Make those eyelashes look extra long. And again, the bottom one's like, I'd poke my eye out. We're adding more color. What is this? What is this doing? I am beyond confused. Oh, now, what was the point of extending our eyelashes if we were just gonna add fake eyelashes anyways? Oh, lip liner. I got that one. To make them look nice and fancy. And then we're going with a, I'm going to assume a Wet n Wild because all her lipsticks are Wet n Wild. So we're going to go with a Wet n Wild dark red, I think. I actually don't know. And then we're going to add more stuff to the lips because the first two weren't enough. And I don't know what we're adding at this point. What is the point of this? Is this going on the lips too? Or is this like a setting spray? Oh, setting spray. Okay. Air ourselves off. And look how damn beautiful we are now. Looking good. So now we're going to show from a few different angles here. Oh, this is the outro. Please subscribe. And I'm sorry you had to listen to this. Love you all. Bagels.